Alexa, play Bobby Caldwell, What You Won't Do.
What You Won't Do for Love by Bobby Caldwell from Apple Music.
What's up, everybody? Charlie, if you heard it here first in my beer for tonight, they're both on Twitter. Alexa, down. She listens to me. Anyway, sitting here, enjoying some good music on a Saturday night, and I feel like cracking a brewski rooski in this episode of What Are You Drinking? We have Speed of Sound by Pipeworks Brewing Company. This is a double dry hop oat Indian Pale Ale with mosaic and cryo mosaic hops. 7.5%. Got this beer in my box from Tavor. And I only picked this beer because of the can artwork. Can artwork is kind of cool. Alexa, off. Can artwork is kind of cool, so let's go ahead and crack this. And that Hopworks glass right there, straight out of the PDX. Wow. Alright, so here we go. That's what it's looking like tonight. Now this is going to be interesting because this is double dry hopped oat Indian Pale Ale. Now, I've had pale ales brewed with oats and obviously stouts, porters brewed with oats, but never an Indian Pale Ale. So this is going to be a first here. So, cheers. That's actually pretty damn good. It's like milky tasting almost, you know? Like milky. Real milky. It also has like a spritzer kind of aftertaste, you know? Like, kind of like, whatever that's supposed to mean. I don't know what that is. Alright, so this is actually good beer. Pipeworks, they brew some good beers. So this may be like, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 different Pipeworks beers I've had. I was in a beer group a couple years ago, and there was people from all over the United States. And there was a handful of guys from the Chicago area, and they would talk extremely highly of Pipeworks brewing beer. And it's been great. I think the only craft beer brewing company that I've like drank beer from was Noon Whistle. I was in Illinois about 2 years ago, suburb of Chicago, and I went over to Noon Whistle and had some awesome beers from them. I can't wait to either get back to that area again to check out that brewery, or somehow, some way, get beer from Noon Whistle sent over to me. But in this episode of What Are You Drinking, we have Pipeworks, Speed of Sound, drinking really, really, really nice right now. Y'all be easy. Peace. They get to go in the pool.
Yeah, they get to go in the pool.
Oh, they don't get to go in the for real.
Yeah,
not going.
Listen, don't believe this dude. I'm out.
we're not